Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into something super simple but extremely important: how to save your project in Canva. Whether you're designing a poster, a thumbnail, or social media content, knowing how your work is saved can save you a lot of stress. Let's start with the good news. Canva automatically saves your project as you work. That means every edit, text change, or image adjustment you make is stored instantly in the cloud. You don't have to worry about losing progress if your internet drops or your laptop restarts unexpectedly. But if you ever want to manually save your design, you can easily do that too. Just go to the File menu in the top left corner and click Save or Save As. Canva will make sure your latest version is safely stored. Though honestly, you'll rarely need to do this thanks to the autosave feature. Now, here's the part most people actually look for: saving your finished design to your device. Once you're done designing, head over to the Share button in the top right corner. From there, click Download. You'll see options to choose your preferred file type, like PNG, JPG, PDF, or even MP4 for videos. You can also tweak your settings, such as image quality or transparency, before hitting download. And that's it. Your design will be saved directly to your device. So the next time you're working on Canva, remember, your project is automatically safe in the cloud, and exporting it to your device takes just a few clicks. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out my other tutorials for more quick Canva tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.